Idiomatic expressions, common expressions, and their meanings, Part 1. There are many expressions in the English language that can be very puzzling to people trying to learn the language, especially expressions which we try to understand exactly, but actually mean something very different. These expressions are known as idiomatic expressions or idioms. Idiomatic expressions are fun to learn and they make the language much more imaginative and colorful. Idiomatic expressions exist in every language. In many ways, they are like speaking in riddles. Riddles that are easy to understand for anyone speaking that language as a first language. In this video, we're going to explore some idioms and their meanings, and you'll soon discover that idioms are very exciting and interesting. What is an idiomatic expressions? An idiomatic expressions is a phrase or expression that typically presents a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to the phrase, but some phrases become figurative idioms while retaining the literal meaning of the phrase. Categorized as formulaic language, an idiom's figurative meaning is different from the literal meaning. Here are some meanings and examples of idiomatic expressions.